to Dexscreener first. We're looking at Solana mostly. That's where a lot of the volume is sitting at. So what I like to do is we're going to look at trending last 24 hours. Yeah, we'll do trending over 24 hours just to see. Just to see what's going on. And we're going to also do where's it at? Market cap, right? We're going to go by market cap. So yes, Trump coin is one of them that we are keeping our eye on right now. It's up 13.6% over the past 24 hours. And the best part of this is we're going to go into the daily. The best part of this is look at that beauty. It's a beauty. It's coming up from a bottom. We made, let me give you a better illustration. We made a double bottom, higher low, and then we end up making a higher high on top of that. So we're breaking out from this what seems like support level after a very long time of what seems like just straight up downtrending. Let's see if I can reset the price scale. A lot of downtrending. Let's see if we can do even just the weekly, and then the weekly shows that picture. Let's get rid of volume. Let's do 3-day for a better, more detail, right? And then we have this higher low. Yeah, it's higher low going. Now it's just easy to look at what the next level is, and if we hit price, it's going to get rid of the drawings, but that's fine. Let's just get rid of volume, right? So we end up seeing, all right, the next level we're trying to hit is price. Why does it still say billions? What the hell is going on? Okay, that's weird. Anyway, so the next level we're looking at is $12. Is at $12.38. So right now it's just a great time to buy into altcoins. Obviously, the best time to buy was this weekend before the Bitcoin pump happened from, we found support at 84K. Now we hit 94K. It was basically $10,000 in the past 48 hours. Obviously, Trump's going to come in and on international television to talk about his own token. But hey, that's great as long as you get in here. If you're a believer in what Trump is doing, I know it's hard to be because he'll promise a lot of things to a lot of people, and then each individual group will think that they're that special group that he's talking to, and he only worries about him, Trump International, and his children. That's all he's worried about, and whatever benefits them. So as long as you're in line and impact with that, you're going to benefit as well. And the best thing to do there is to buy Trump token. Basic, simple thing we can do, and we'll do this with all the tokens. Run this up to the next level. We're going to have to flip this around. Flip it, reverse it. All right. And we want to get rid of all this extra. Anything over 1 we don't need. Right. Reset. Okay, we look for the 618 level. You're looking at $17 ideally. We'd have to go back into trading view, a real trading view. No, actually, no, we can do it here. Actually, we're going to do a fixed, stupid flies. I hate flies so much. We're going to do fixed volume range, and we just start from here all the way to the end and reset chart. And the red line is the the red line is the point of control, and we broke the point of control today. We'll have to go into, actually, no, we'll do that. Let's look at Trump token, and we'll come back to these. Might take a look at a few of these altcoins, even Baby Doge. What's my Baby Doge doing? Yeah, the 8-hour. Yeah, we want to see a breakout to the 100 level. A116Z, we'll go AIBC. Yeah, I mean, even that one, they all look the same. You see a market cipher B, they all look the same. Anyways, we're going to look at Trump USD. Let's see who, we'll go to OTX. Yeah, let's try again. Bitstamp. No. Crypto. Actually, crypto is a lot better. All right, so we'll do that. We'll get rid of all the extra. We just want to see what's going on from the very beginning. All right, so we have our support was very obvious. It was at $7.08. We tapped that 2 times. Let's hit the 12-hour to get a cleaner look at what has happened with Trump token. Very clear level of support. Again, we got the double bottom, higher low, breakout above what seemed to be local resistance, made a higher high. And now our next target, the simplest thing you can do, our next target is $11.72. Yeah, you can go a little closer. We still need to see, we could see what's going on. We can see what's going on at the local level, but most of the volume's coming back in from this level, right? We take there, and we already broke out from all these main levels. Worst case, we'd want to retest $8.48 and then take off again. But now's a good time to start accumulating above $8 on Trump coin. So you'd want to get in as soon as possible. So we'll leave it at that for Trump coin. Now we will go into, we'll go back. Let's look down the, yep, Fartcoin's the next one. We've been talking about Fartcoin for a very long time. We've made thousands of % on this token. I've been talking about it for the past week. We got back in somewhere around, where was it? Let me see what it was. Fartcoin, next target is 119. That's yesterday. Yep, we hit 119 today. As promised, we hit 121, a little bit above it. Let's see where we bought in. What I notice happens is there's a strong metal like Fartcoin usually. Oh, that's 2.7. Let's see, yesterday, today. Let's see. I think it was in members. High risk. Swap. That's weird. Why does it do Fartcoin, next target. Let's see if we have any connection to it. 1214 from 1214. So we got in around 90 cents. I don't know why it's not showing it. We got in around 90 cents and we waited for that little breakout from there, and now we're riding up. Now Fartcoin, I've been saying it's the new meta for it's the new leader in Solana meme coins. It's the new leader in meme coins, $1.2 billion market cap. You know, I really think it can hit 10, right? I think that this is it. I mean, I don't have to think, it's going parabolic already. It's already going parabolic. So what are we looking for from here? Here's would have been the bottom. Actually, if you would have marked this out, making from the all-time low, right? Let's flip it, add 90% back, 0.9, have to delete it, 0.9, it almost hit 91% on the dot. Let's see if we can line that up. It hit 90% pretty much on the dot. I can obviously go up to the weekly and it'll look even cleaner. 90% on these meme coins, these Solana meme coins that were pretty strong or ran up pretty high. 90% is where you want to start reaccumulating. I was too busy worried about reaccumulating Bitcoin. I missed out on a big dip, but I did buy more at 62 cents on spot. As far as a long, I got back in at 90 cents. All right, so now next thing you want to see, make that the bottom. And then, come on, we're going to reverse it. We're going to put labels to the right. That's what I was looking for. And now you're looking for the 618 at $1.69. Now, as a lower high, I think it's going parabolic. Even if it hits 618 and we pull back, we'll end up pulling back to $1.10 or so, and then continuing up. So that's another one we are holding from a pretty good price. Let's take a look at another one. Let's see what Pangu's doing. Let's see what the good old airdrop Pangu's doing. That looks wonderful. Let's just go to the daily, get a cleaner look. right? And that was probably shit more than 100%, or yeah, way below its original entry. So anything down here is a great buy price. It's up 40% on the day from that bottom there. Yeah, you just buy here and you wait. You wait until September, October, November. You can't really, I mean, you can count the top. You can count this top here, but right now we're just looking at that level. That's the first level we're looking at. Let's go to the 3-day to zoom in. All right, I'm going to give you these major uh, big market cap meme coins, and then we'll just start running through the other ones. So ultimately, yeah, we want to come back to 2.9 cents on Pengu. Buy there, hold. There's nothing much more to say about that one. That's another one we are looking into. Pengu, Popcat's another top. Like again, like yeah, you missed out up here, but now we're back down here where, you know, I mean, shit, this one, you know, it's a fresh opportunity to buy into a coin you were, you know, angry and upset about missing. And now they're 90, 95% off. Now, this is the time to buy. Like when a car is on sale, when a car is, say a car's at $100,000 and it's a luxury car, man, you just got to wait 3 years and you're going to get 40, you know, 30, 40% off of that vehicle. Or you can buy it all the way up here because everybody else wants it and then watch the price devalue. Or you can buy it down here and then the value of it becomes more respectable. The new technology that um, you know that was back here a few years ago, you're enjoying it now, while the rest of the country in their lower value type of vehicles, they're just getting that new technology, but you're getting it now at 30, 40, 50, 60, and now you think about EVs, 60% off. And in crypto, you're getting bargain basement deal, however you want to say it, you know, a yard sale deal for these tokens. You could have got in, you know, at 90% off at 22 cents, waited a few days and you'd be up. Wait a few weeks and you'd be up. What is that? 15 half. You'd be up. What's it up right now? 30% just in the past 2 days. 60% uh, over the past week, right? So that's PopCat. Obviously, you want to take that up to the 618. These are just the levels we're looking at right now. Pull that up, right? And you just want to take it up to the 618. That's what we're looking at. It could take a while for it to happen. We're not saying it's going to happen exactly that way. We may have to have the Bitcoin pullback, and we have another opportunity for alts to scoop up alts on another pullback, and then we rip into September, October, steady climb into September, October, November to the top of the market. Hey, but hey, you start accumulating now, wait for another dip to happen, get a nice little double bottom, get the double bottom action going, and then watch your portfolio grow. That's PopCat. Let's take a look at another one. These are the ones we want. We want to see these like this. We don't want to see them looking like Fartcoin right now. Like Fartcoin, yeah, it's up nicely, but it started its ascent way sooner than everybody else did. You want to get into these other ones that look like PopCat and look like Pengu. Let's see what GigaChat's looking like. Missed out on this one. How much is it down? Looks just like stupid fly. Did I kill it? No. You know, looks just like what was the last one we were looking at? PopCat. Right? Looks just like it. What's it down? Let's see how much it's down. I think we had to reverse it to do this again. 90% on the dot. If you would have bought right at 90%, you would have been holding a gem for the past, right? Say you're just like, I'm buying here 90% no matter what. You'd be holding a gem for the past 42 days. And now we're rising. Now the market is heating up. It's hot. And now you're in major profit on just a spot holding, right? And now you take that up to, you know, the 618, and you're talking about, you know, somewhere around 6 cents. And that would end up being a 3x. We'll see where you got in at. That ended up being a 6x on your investment, right? Zaribo is another one that popped up today. Oh my God, yeah, it just went absolutely crazy. And this is This is an AI coin. Let's see what the daily's looking like. Yeah, just the past 2 days, it's just went absolutely dumb, absolutely stupid. So guess what we're doing, people? We want to mimic this price action. We want to see a very similar chart happening, and then we want to see tokens that haven't popped off quite as hard as Zeribo, however you want to say it, right? So obviously that has a lot of upside left to it, even though it's up 180 damn percent today. Very, like I said, very big day for altcoins and crypto. Let's look at GOAT. Yeah, see, GOAT's a little bit behind Zeribo. GOAT's AI meme coin, even though it doesn't really have. It's just the first AI created meme coin. That's what GOAT. That's the purpose GOAT serves, right? And we could see a little retest back to 6.3 cents, and then a takeoff to the next level at 10 cents. These are the tokens you want to get into, and I'm giving you all this alpha for free. For free. Griffane, same thing. Look at that. 82% up. Another AI token. So this is telling. What is this telling you? Always uh, there's always a pattern. There's always a pattern to find. These are the patterns you want to find. You don't want to jump into those tokens. You want to find the next big AI token. We're going by market cap. You want to go into the next big AI token that hasn't popped off yet. What's this Sky AI? $53 million market cap. What are we even looking at? Oh, this is just the past 24 hours. All right. Now, this isn't all time. Okay, what are we looking at? It's pretty new on the day. Let's go to the 1 hour. And whoever made this, they were ready for the trend. This is BNB. Okay, you can go to BNB market too. ARC AI rig complex. Don't know what that is. Clanker. Hyper just came out recently. Hour. It might just go crazy real soon. I might just buy some just because it hasn't really moved yet. This is on the 15-minute chart. It's on all the big exchanges. Right? Yes, yeah, so I just grabbed some hyper, especially if you don't have any BNB exposure. Yeah, if you don't have any BNB exposure, that's a good one to get into. FWOG, just another meme coin, up 35% today. What's the daily look like? Yeah, it's just popping up. You know, you're starting to see a pattern here, right? Ultimate high at what day is that? November 13th, right during the election week. And now we got the big dip, all these promises. Now you know not to trust the president now. If you're young or you're just naive, you're old and naive, this is your opportunity to realize in real time you don't trust what presidents say. He doesn't know what he's saying. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's just trying to hype up a nation. I'm not against the guy. I'm just telling you, you don't trust anybody. What does Stone Cold say? Don't trust anybody. All right. All you can trust are the charts, right? So now it's the time to accumulate at these high value tokens. Okay. We're not going to be like the rest of everybody else, and we're not going to buy these tokens at the top. We're buying them at their best, lowest value. That's how it works when you're buying, when you're looking for value and you want to increase your portfolio. Let's just look straight into Solana since we are Solana specialists. There's a fart coin too. We're not even looking at that. We're going to do market cap. All right, Pengu, Popcat, AI 16Z. I need to start buying back into this one. AI tokens, yep. These are the ones you want to get into. Again, you see the trend. What more do you want me to show you? Cerebro, what the hell is this J-Proof? Probably some J-Proof. This isn't a rug. Okay, this is a new token. Whatever. When I look for new tokens, we're looking for proven tokens that have a history that are down 90% plus. Mudang, same thing, just a meme coin. Just a meme coin, higher low, or finally made a higher high from the lows, double bottom, right? You understand where I'm going with this. Chill guy, up 42% for the day, went sideways for a very long time after a big boost up, right? If you like this token, you get in. Hasn't made a higher high yet, but there you go. Titcoin just gets you going, gets your blood flowing. This is a new Titcoins. There's probably 100,000 Titcoins, but this one's from March 6th and looks like it's making higher highs. Looks very, very healthy. Okay. Mobi AI, another AI token, up 47%, up 25% in the past 2 hours. Very good token. Do the research on it. Websites right there on Dexscreener. Made a higher high from this level. Really good token to get into. Pick your choice. Pick your choice. I'm trying to show you all the uh, all the all the big tokens. I might. Oh, there's the butt coin. This one was very interesting. It already had a pop off, uh, up 18% on the day. This one's a little bit different. Breakup. It's just a social coin. It's just a meme coin. What else? Take a look at another few tokens that were very popular over the past few months or so. Memes AI. Let's see, is another AI created token. Right, you got this popping up on the daily. Made a higher high. Made a big high pullback. Right, all-time high. Right, these very ugly charts. Very these when you see charts like these, big pop up. After this, they kind of just it was just whales holding and they didn't really sell. And then people were trading on top of it, and then the whales end up selling, and now here we are. Now those whales are probably out of the market. They're probably going to jump back in very soon if they haven't already, and the market's going to repump. We're going to get something out of it. You're going to be able to make a decision from this level, like, we get up to this level, do I want to sell or not? We start coming down. You're like, all right, I can sell. You're going to be in profit. Right. We'll look at one more, then we'll go to DYOR to look at some actual, not just meme coins, but altcoins. Let's see if we can find another one. Fartcoin 2C. Now we're going into the millions. Let's go 24 hours trending. If I don't want to do 24 hours. Anyways, more of the same. FWOG, Retard Finder Coin, Sigma, Troll, Michi. What else we got? Please, Opium. This is another AI token. It looks like a new. No, it's not new, but it is up 5,5700% in one day. What the heck? This is what I'm talking about. Pretty much a dead coin, risen from the dead. Somebody sold off, and then people started. Oh, somebody just sold off, and then people started buying back in. What was that buy? That's a huge freaking buy. Somebody probably put like. They probably put $5,000 into it. 7,000 right there. 2 minutes ago. Goodness, it's getting a lot of volume. What the heck is going on? And the market cap is only at, what is that, 4.7 million? All-time high of 45 million. I mean, that might be worth a few bucks. Get a quick 10x out of it. This could be something. I'm actually gonna put some money into it right now. Opay AI. Let's find it on Dexscreener on my phone. Or I just do it on my phone. Let's see if we can find it. Opay. Oh my goodness. Can I type today? Opayum. 4.7 million. Info. So you want to get the contract from here, right next to Opium. Don't click on the Solana. Don't click on the pair. Click on that one right there. Copy the address and then take it into whichever wallet you're using, or you can just buy it straight from Dexscreener, connecting your wallet to it. Let's see. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go into Phantom. All right, so that's another one. Yeah, it's up a lot, but we're going to keep our eye on it. We're going to wake up tomorrow morning. We're going to keep our eye on it. Or we're going to wake up, what's tonight? It's 11 o'clock at night, what time this video is made. We're going to look at it at the US Open for the morning. Let's see if we can find another weird AI token like that that hasn't really moved yet. Fitcoin was one of them. That one's down 36%. That's not good. Digital gold, that's interesting. eSIM, encrypted SIM, revs, ice poison. Nyan Cat was a big one. That one's popping back up. Oh, this is just that's a new one. Okay. DYOR. See if we can find another one. This one looks down 75%. That one's very new. Thick coin. Wojak trying to move again. Azura. All right, so we'll have to do some more research in the morning for a really good AI token. Let's see what's happening over the last 5 minutes. Memeverse. Oh, is this a new Memeverse or old one? No, that's a new one.